Want to sound smart, fluent, and confident in English? In just 5 minutes, I'll teach you 30 powerful words that smart speakers use daily with meaning and real-life usage. Let's go. Admire. To respect or approve of. Example: I admire her dedication to learning. Brief. Short in time or length. Example: I'll keep this explanation brief. Capable. Able to do something well. Example: She's capable of handling pressure. Decent. Good enough or acceptable. Example: That's a decent job for a beginner. Essential. Absolutely necessary. Example: Water is essential for life. Frequently. Happening many times or regularly. Example: I frequently check my emails. Genuine. Real or honest. Example: He gave me a genuine smile. Hesitate. To pause before doing something. Example: Don't hesitate to ask questions. Inspire. To motivate. Example: Her story inspired many people. Justice. Fairness or law. Example: We all hope for justice. Kindness. Being nice and helpful. Example: Small acts of kindness matter. Limit. A point beyond which something cannot go. Example: Don't limit your potential. Motivate. To encourage. Example: His speech really motivated me. Notice. To observe or become aware of. Example: Did you notice the difference? Obey. To follow rules or instructions. Example: Children should obey their parents. Polite. Showing good manners. Example: He's very polite to everyone. Quietly. Without making noise. Example: She left the room quietly. Reliable. Someone you can trust. Example: He's a reliable worker. Struggle. To face difficulty. Example: Many students struggle with grammar. Trust. To believe in someone. Example: You can trust me. Unique. One of a kind. Example: Every person is unique. Value. Importance or worth. Example: I value your opinion. Wisdom. Deep knowledge or insight. Example: He shared words of wisdom. Excited. Feeling very happy or thrilled. Example: I'm excited about the trip. Improve. To make better. Example: You can improve with practice. Support. To help or encourage. Example: Thanks for your support. Confident. Sure of yourself. Example: She looked confident on stage. Flexible. Able to adapt easily. Example: He's flexible with time. Grateful. Thankful. Example: I'm grateful for your help. Achieve. To reach a goal. Example: She achieved her dream job. Start using these words today to sound smarter, more fluent, and more natural in English. Which word was your favorite? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to English Word Hub for more bite-sized vocabulary videos.